Welcome to H2K Infosys. H2K Infosys is a e-verify business based in Atlanta, Georgia, United States. We provide 100% job-oriented, instructor-led, face-to-face, true live online software training programs. It also includes access to cloud test lab with software tools. We provide live project for you to work on. We also provide assistance with mock interviews, resume preparation and review, and job placement assistance. H2K Infosys is trusted by so many students across the world. H2K Infosys provides world-class services in IT training with real-time project work for corporates and individuals, special IT training for MS students in the United States, software design, development, QA manual and automation, performance testing and maintenance, IT staff augmentation, job placement assistance, and tech support.
Level testing. Your sanity or smoke testing. If your initial level testing fails, then of course we are going to stop the testing process. Whenever there is a change request, what is this change request? Yes, Shri, it is a smoke testing, okay. What is a change request? Okay, it may happen that your client is going to change the requirement. They put some change request. It could be either the modification of the requirement, deletion or some addition, some changes they are requesting you. Okay. In that case, the software will be modified, right? So there is no point in testing the older version of the software. So you got to suspend the testing process. But from where do you receive this information? Can you tell me? Yes, Jaya, it's not possible in the waterfall or V model, so you can ignore that. Okay. So who is going to tell you that the change request has arrived and you got to stop the testing process? Okay. Let's say now. Okay. So now Chitra is a tester. Okay. Who is supposed to start with the testing process today? Alright. And then we have Preeti. She is a BA. Okay. Both of them are very, very good friends. They have lunch together. They have, breakfast together. Okay. Though one person is tester and BA, still they are very good friends. They meet every time. Okay. So what happens on a lunch? Okay. Preeti is going to tell Chitra that there is a change requirement. And, she just informs her casually, okay, there is a change request, and the client has requested for the changes and we got to implement it again. And, she is going to explain all the things to her. Fine. Now, Chitra was supposed to start with the testing process today. Tell me, should she stop it or she has to continue? What is she supposed to do? Do you think she has to continue or she has to stop it? Okay. She has to continue. Because Preeti is a BA, no doubt. Okay. But she is not a team lead over here, right? She is a BA, correct? And the communication that Chitra has received, this is not an official communication. This is not a formal communication that she has received. Okay. Now listening to Preeti, if Chitra stops the testing process, how is she answerable to the rest of the team or the team lead? Is she going to tell that, okay, Preeti said me during the lunch time, there is a change request, so I stopped? No, she is not going to tell that, right? So whenever you are going to proceed with an activity or suspend the activity, you should have all the things in the written documents. Okay, means you should have it either in the email format or the announcement should be done during the meetings. because whatever we discuss during the meetings, it's going to go into the minutes of the meeting, right? So we have a documentation over there, and email is a documentation. It is a proof for you. So even in the meeting, this is a proof for you. Okay, is it clear? So unless and until you receive any kind of formal communication, you can neither start, you can neither stop anything. Is that clear, everybody? Okay. Now I will give you another situation. Again, our Chitra, okay, she is a tester. We have a team lead now. Okay. So Pavni is a team lead. Alright. She is a team lead. Now Pavni comes to Chitra and she says that, okay, there is a change request. Please stop the testing process. Okay. She did not give any written document to her. Okay. She did not arrange for a meeting or she didn't make any announcement. She personally goes to Chitra and says that please stop the testing process because there is a change requirement. Okay. Now what should Chitra do? Stop or continue? See, there are two things. Okay. There are two problems over here. She has two choices. Either she can stop or she can continue. Okay. If she stops, she doesn't have any written documentation regarding this conversation. If she continues, okay, she will be going against her team lead, which Pavni may not like. Okay. She is offending her team lead. Which one should she choose? Now tell me, she has to stop or she has to continue? Right, Preeti, Pavni is responsible, but what is the proof with you? How can Chitra defend herself later if somebody, I mean, the test manager or, the project manager blames her? But she is offending, okay? If you are offending your team lead, Pavni is not allowing Chitra to survive in the team. So what she has to do? Can she talk like that, okay? Can she tell Pavni, okay, you may be team lead or whatever, okay? Please go to your seat and send me an email on this. Can she talk like that? Can she say that, okay, you can't communicate this way to me. You got to go back to your desk and send me an email. Then Pavni will tell her, don't try to teach me what is, what I have to do over here. Correct? How to manage this kind of situation? No, reporting vanilla again, that is like a complaining, right? Okay. All right. So what she got to do is, okay, the first thing that Chitra has to do is say yes to Pavni. Okay, the first thing she has to do is say yes. Okay, I'm going to stop. Then what Chitra has to do is she has to compose an email. Okay, email to whom? To Pavni. Okay, she can CC it to the entire team. She can CC it to the manager, test manager or project manager, whoever is there, or a senior QA, somebody, okay? At least the team members, though they are junior team members, that's fine, okay? She got to compose an email with few people in CC, alright? And she got to write very politely that, as per our conversation, okay, the testing process is on hold and the current status of the testing process, I mean, we have completed till the test case ID, some XXX. Okay. Now look at this email. Though she is, trying to create a proof for herself, Chitra, at the same time, okay, if somebody looks at it, okay, it feels that she is trying to update her team lead. Can you see that? Everybody, whoever reads this, okay, they don't feel that, okay, she's trying to protect herself. They feel that, okay, she's trying to give an update to her team lead that as per the conversation, this testing process is on hold. Okay. She has done it. And plus she is trying to give her some status update that we have completed the testing process till here. We need to proceed further, waiting for your confirmation. Don't you think this is a good way of communication? She is not offending Pavni. At the same time, she is on the safer side and nobody comes to know, okay, that what is happening in her mind also. This is so nice. Correct? Yes. Okay. So this is how you got to maintain the relationship in the team. All right. Yes, you got to take care of all these things. Testing doesn't mean, okay, go there, sit, test, and no, it's not like that. You should make sure you are going to maintain a healthy relationship within the team. You might come across, different type of people who are really offending, okay, whom you do not like to work at all, but no, you can't help it. You have to be there in the team, face all the situation with little bit of smartness. You will be away from all the dangers. Okay, fine. Okay, so this is about the change request. Now, another situation, publishing of the input documents and there is a delay, right? Okay, I'll give you another situation. Okay, now Chitra is a tester again. Okay, she was supposed to start with the testing process today on 13th August. Okay, she has been assigned the responsibility of testing. But she requires some documents, right? She requires the test case document, test data document. I'll tell you what they are later. She requires some input documents for the testing. Who is supposed to provide it? Let's say Jyoti, who is another tester. She is assigned with the responsibility of design of the documentations. She is supposed to do it. And Jyoti was supposed to submit all these documents to Chitra by 13th August so that she can start with the testing process. Now the situation is Chitra has not received any document. Jyoti has not submitted. Okay. Now she has to stop the testing process. Tell me, how is she going to report it to the team lead? Should she tell that, okay, Jyoti has not submitted any documents? I mean, should she put a complaint on the Jyoti that she has not submitted the documents to me, so I'm going to stop the testing process? Or Jyoti is also, her team member. Should she show some courtesy on her and, just stay quiet? What she has to do? Is she going to complain on Jyoti or is she going to keep quiet? Email to Jyoti and ask. Of course, Jofi, I think, Chitra has already done that before 13th August itself. Many times she has already sent all these things to her. Okay, Preeti, you want the repetition? Look at this. Okay. The situation is Chitra is supposed to start the testing process on 13th August. But she has to receive some documents from Jyoti which she hasn't sent. Alright. Now Chitra is waiting to start. But she has no documents. What should be her next step? Is she going to complain to the team lead that, she hasn't received the documents? Second thing is, okay, is she going to keep quiet so that she can save Jyoti? Or there is some third option? Okay, write an email to Jyoti. That is done several times, okay, but Jyoti is under some problem, okay. She is not like, she has not done this many times. This is the first time and due to some reason, okay, she is having some difficulty due to which she is unable to complete. She has some genuine reason, okay. So what to do? Jyoti is not an irregular person. She is a very good person and moreover, this is the first time it has happened. And she has a genuine reason for that. Okay, offering a help. Very good, Vinaya. Offering a help. I can keep this as one option. Can Chitra go to Jyoti and take her documents and start helping her? Can she do that? This is another important thing, okay? Now let's say Chitra and Jyoti are friends. Can Chitra go to Jyoti and start editing the documents of Jyoti? Should you give this kind of help?
So many of our students have given testimonials on how our training programs are. You will find them on kudzu.com and on our website H2KInfosys.com. On our website H2KInfosys.com, you will also find more detailed information on who we are, the courses that we offer, what each course covers. Also, if you're interested in a demo program, please register on our homepage on the left-hand side. Just give us more information about yourself and we will send you a link for a demo class. The demo class is absolutely free. Experience our commitment by just attending an orientation workshop at no cost. Our team of faculty and advisors are here to guide you with the right information. If you still have more questions, please feel free to call us. Call us at 770-777-1269. This is a United States number. If you're calling from the UK, call us at 020-337-17615. You can also email us at training@h2kinfosys.com or h2kinfosys@gmail.com. Thank you for watching our videos. We wish you a great career in information technology.